Another useful function in Excel is the concatenate function. This function takes two strings and merges them together into one string. So we can take the first name and the last name fields and recreate the name that appears in column B. To do this, we press the equal sign, highlight the first name cell, insert an ampersand, and then highlight the last name cell and press enter. And as you can see, it will put Brenda Taylor together into one string. Now, it would be nice though if we could separate Brenda Taylor with a space the way it appears in column B. And we can do this by editing the formula so that it says G2 ampersand, and we put a space in quotes and then another ampersand. So what this will do is take the value that's in cell G2, the value that's in cell H2, and put a space between the two, and then create a new string that contains all three. So now we have Brenda Taylor. Again, if we press or double click on the box in the bottom right, it will copy this function down to all of the rows in the data set.